Creative and fun learning. Design your own TT shirt. On a sunny Friday morning in a bustling town, the school's creative corner was buzzing with excitement. The little artists, all between 6 and 8 years old, were eager to begin their new project, design your own t-shirt. Miss Amelia, the school's master educator, began by setting out a variety of art supplies. Brushes, paints, markers, stickers, and glitter lay before them like a treasure trove of creativity. She explained that today they would bring their imagination to life on their very own t-shirt design. The children dove into their designs, each one unique and beautiful in its own way. Some painted colorful landscapes, others drew quirky characters, and a few even created intricate patterns. As they painted and sketched, Miss Amelia roamed the classroom, offering encouragement and helpful tips. She reminded them to use different brush sizes for various details and showed them how to blend colors to create new hues. When they had completed their designs, the children carefully added finishing touches like glitter and stickers. Their faces shone with pride as they admired each other's work. After a while, it was time to share their creations with the class. One by one, each child held up their masterpiece for all to see, receiving warm applause from their peers and Miss Amelia. As the children put on their finished t-shirts, they couldn't stop grinning from ear to ear. They had taken their imagination and turned it into something tangible, something they could wear and be proud of. Over the next few days, the classmates proudly wore their t-shirts to school, sharing stories of how they had designed them and the inspiration behind their creations. By the end of the week, the children had not only learned about art and creativity, but also gained self-confidence as they shared their work with others. They had truly embraced the spirit of creative and fun learning. As they gathered in the schoolyard one last time before summer break, Miss Amelia asked each child to share what they had learned during this project. The responses were heartwarming and inspiring, a testament to the power of creativity and imagination. With tears in their eyes, the little artists said goodbye to each other and to Miss Amelia, taking with them memories of this incredible project. They had designed their own t-shirts, an experience they would never forget. The creative and fun learning project had not only provided a hands-on learning experience, but also instilled a sense of pride and accomplishment in each child. They learned the value of creativity, self-expression, and collaboration, lessons they would carry with them for years to come.